Where is it? What are you doing? Oh my god, snake. Stop it. Leave the snake alone. Wait. Leave it alone. Look what you did to his tail. Leave it alone. Ow, what the fuck? Something bit me. What are you doing? Stop it. Stop it, Levi. Mom! Mom! Leave it alone. Look, why are you biting it? Stop biting it. Oh my god. You like trying to finish it off or what the hell? Oh my god. Let me pick it up. I'm gonna touch it. You've been touching it the whole time. Oh my god. Now you're getting it. Okay, it's your snake, I guess. No, Levi. No. Come back with the snake. I want to touch it. It's my snake. Show your snake. Mom, he found a snake. Mom. He found a snake. What the hell is biting me in my back? There's gonna be a fucking snake. Stop chewing on it. Stop it. Look at it. Where is it? Shut up. Where is it? Oh, what the fuck? Stop it. Look at the snake. Look at his head. Fucking Discovery Channel shit. Can't even see it. Fucking camera. Oh, there it is. No, stop it. You're gonna fucking bite me. Mom, where are you going? God damn it. Let me pick up the snake. Don't bite me. Okay? Let me pick it up. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Okay. Okay, you can have your snake. Bring it over here. Come here. Dogger. Come here. You like beat the fucking crap out of it. It's like your toy now. Just let me fucking kill it. Levi! Stop it. Stop it, Levi. Stop it. Bad Levi. Bad Levi. No, you've been biting a snake. Stop it. Let me play with the snake, goddammit. You like beat the shit out of it. It's gonna bite you. Stop it, Levi. Stop it, okay? Leave the snake alone. Stop doing anything to you. Stop it. Oh my god. It's just a little snake. Leave it alone. Stop biting the crap out of it. Leave it alone. Look at the fucking snake. I feel so bad for it. No, Levi. No. No. Bad Levi. I'm gonna get my mom. Look. Mom! Levi got a snake.
A what?
A snake. It's a rattlesnake.
A rattlesnake?
I'm just playing. No, it's a grass snake.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna touch it. Well, I want him to get away from it. Come here, Levi. Come here. Leave the snake alone. I want to throw over the fence. Give me the snake. Give me the snake. Give me the snake, okay? Give me the snake. Levi, stop it. Don't bite me. I know you're gonna bite me over the snake. Levi, come on, Levi. Let me get the snake. It's gonna bite you. And God damn it. Leave the snake alone. It's not doing anything to you. He was minding his own business, being a Mr. Snake, and he fucked this shit up. Just for being a snake. Oh shit. I've never seen a snake in a knot. Leave the head alone! Oh my god, you crushed it. Leave it alone. Oh wow. Levi. Don't bite me. I know you're gonna bite me because it's your snake. Are you? Is there blood in your mouth? That's a bad dog. Bad doggy. I'm just kidding. I love you. Why are you all wet? Is it blood in my hand? Nope. Oh my god. No! No, give me my headphones at least. Give me my headphones. This is not the snake. Wait, 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 wait. Look at another snake. Another snake over there. Go kill that one. Maybe it was a mama snake and fucked shit up. Now it has no fucking... Okay. Come here. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, damn it. You always catch me. I'll sit down with you, okay? Maybe I can catch a snake too. Okay, I'm gonna leave me here alone. Now I'm afraid to sit down. Fucking snake's gonna bite me. You good doggy. Who's your good doggy? Who's your good doggy? Who's your good doggy? Oh, damn it, I missed. Let me pet you. Who's a good doggy? Who's a good doggy? Who's a good You keep on catching me. Oh, shit. You gonna pet you? Stop it. You want to play with your snake? I don't want it anyway.